Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Gusto for 1099 contractor reports, full guide step by step clearly. To download Gusto for 1099 contractor reports, start by opening your web browser. Go to the Gusto website by typing www.gusto.com and once the page loads, click on the login button located in the top right corner. Enter your email and password associated with your Gusto account. After logging in, you will be taken to the dashboard. From the dashboard, locate the Reports tab in the left-hand menu. Click on the Reports tab to expand the options available. Look for the option labeled 1099s within the Reports section. Click on 1099s to access your contractor reporting options. You should now see a list of contractors who have been paid during the tax year. Select the contractors for whom you wish to generate 1099 reports. Once you've made your selections, look for the Download button. Click the Download button to initiate the export process. Choose the format in which you would like to download the reports, typically PDF or CSV. After selecting your preferred format, confirm your choice by clicking Download again. The reports will begin to download to your computer. Check your Downloads folder to locate the 1099 contractor reports. Open the downloaded file to ensure the data is accurate and complete. That concludes the process of downloading Gusto for 1099 contractor reports. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.